So today we're going to be opening the HKS Type R intercooler. This one is 700 millimeters thick. Okay, let's get into it. All right. Right, okay, there's a few boxes inside. I think these are just used for packing. There's nothing in that one. On this side, there's nothing in this one either. Put these over here. Okay, and then this is jammed in. Right, inside here. Oh, okay. So inside here. Oh, stop. Right there. Inside here is all the fittings, the brackets and the fittings. Oh, and here, oh, a very small gasket here. That's good. I'll just put all these back. And then the intercooler itself. Okay, it's packed quite well. Instructions, in Japanese of course, with a fitting guide. Right, let's see how all this goes together. Oh, warranty. Right, let's pull this out and then we'll go from there. Okay, this is for packing. Ah, okay. Then we've got a cardboard cutout on the top here. It says GT. Right, and this intercooler would ordinarily sit like that. Ah, okay. And we've got the HKS here. So what you do with these is you remove the lettering and then you line it up and you can spray and it puts the logo onto the intercooler. So you can have either GT on one side or, sorry, HKS on one side or GT. Let's get this here and remove this carefully. You don't want to damage the fins. It's quite heavy, but this is 700 millimeters deep. Now, the idea of these aftermarket intercoolers is they reduce the intake temps. And as we know, on forced induction vehicles, the intake temps come down, gives you slightly more power. So there it is. Let's take a side view, see how wide it is. All right, that's it. Thank you.